A joint team consisting of Indian Army's Special Force and Assam Rifles reportedly carried out a joint operation in Churachandpur and Kangpoki district today with the aim of destroying camps of militants belonging to United Kuki National Army (UKNA), which is Non-Suspension of Operations Group. According to sources, the operation targeted forested areas of the Hill district and was carried out as part of ongoing efforts to curb militant activity amid prolonged ethnic unrest in the state. Sources further informed that troops were deployed into the jungle terrain with the help of helicopters before moving in on the suspected camps. The mission, which began around 9 a.m., was confined to Churachandpur district, while the joint operation in Kangpoki was launched in Wainem village of Kangpoki district against anti-national elements. According to reports, the operation is still underway, but there is no official report of any arrest or seizure of weapons at the time of filing the story.